Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly.
Tom Palshaw is a former Ellington high school graduate, and he now volunteers his time here after he's retired, and he was looking to get some students involved in the aerospace industry.
So I got a call from actually Mr. Richard, and he told me that a nice gentleman from the community was willing to donate some time on one of the flight simulators here at the Air and Space Museum. And so we made arrangements for a couple of our students to come down to Windsor Locks here today to get a little bit of time, get to experience some of the flight simulator, using some of the concepts we've been teaching in our aerospace and engineering program over at the high school.
Graduated in 1966. When I saw the curriculum for aerospace engineering at the school, I was so impressed. So I decided that this was an opportunity for the museum to expand the experience of the students.
And so we picked out 3 students from that class. They're all going to get a little bit of time on that flight simulator.
I actually want to get into an Army aviation program called the Warrant Officer Flight Training. I'm putting together a packet right now. But I'm really interested in rescue missions. Right now I work on the ambulance in Ellington. I'm an EMT, and this field of emergency response is really interesting to me.
I would like to go into some sort of mechanical engineering of vehicles. This is definitely something that I think is pretty cool.
I want to be an engineer, and I was looking into different fields of engineering, which is why I took the aerospace engineering class to see if I liked aerospace engineering. So a lot of things I definitely in the future I want to move towards how can we make these things electric or made with renewable energy and using those to power those things. So that's kind of why I was interested. It's amazing. It's a lot to think about. It's a little overwhelming at first, but this is solidifying. Are you kidding me? This is just confirming it. No, this is great. It's stressful, but it was definitely fun. There's a lot of things you have to remember when you're doing it, but it was definitely fun. So, yeah.
There's just so many things you gotta keep track of between just the pedals, the wheel, is it too high, too low? It's just a lot.